Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jared Lindsay. I'm the chairman of the Tulsa Fraternal Order of Police. Today I'm here with Stan May from Local 176. We're going to talk to you about hardening your home from potential burglars. Stan, have you ever dealt with a garage door like this before as a firefighter?
Yes, we run across this all the time. We've got easy ways to get in, but so do burglars. So we're going to show you a couple of tricks to keep people out of your house.
Can you tell us a little bit about this handle, Stan?
This is just your emergency handle in case the electricity in your house goes off and your garage door opener won't work. So all you have to do is pull that handle down, that releases it from the track, and so you can easily open up your door.
One of the problems that we do have is burglars have figured out how to fish through the top of your garage door and grab this and be able to trip it to bring your garage door up. And we're going to show you a very simple, efficient way to prevent that in the future. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we're doing is taking a very cheap, simple little zip tie. We're running it through the open hole in the carriage and then around the emergency handle to where when we pull it up tight, and you want to get this as tight as you can so that it's easier to snap in case of an emergency. So that is pulled all the way down tight to where a burglar cannot fish this out. This does not prevent you from using your emergency handle. It only reduces the likelihood of a burglar fishing this out. And you still have the full functionality of your emergency handle. Thank you for tuning in for one of our PSAs. If you like these, please leave comments below. We plan on having more of these in the future. We appreciate you. Thank you, and stay safe.